Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Welcome back. Today is Saturday, August the 5th. So we done with the little trip. I'm all packed up. I got my stuff packed up right there. I'm about to get the laptop put up once this video get done uploading over there. And you know what? I didn't imagine I would have this much fun out here. I had such a good time. I got to pick the brain of so many great, smart individuals that are way smarter than me in a lot of different areas. I met some great partners. We're gonna be doing a lot of things in the future on this channel. We got some great relationships built with some awesome individuals, and just working on those public speaking skills and those engagement skills and communication skills. That stuff like shouldn't really go undervalued, because I really feel like just in a short amount of time I got so much out of this trip. But man, GigCon 2023 was a blast. I want to say thank you to everybody who showed up and showed out. We had an awesome show up. I mean, I don't even know how many people was there because I was so busy doing things and coordinating, but I barely had room to move around, and I stayed busy meeting and engaging with folks. And that's another thing I love, like all the drivers, the actual gig economy drivers who were out there and showed up. I got to meet so many of you guys, and I'm gonna remember each and every one of you guys forever. Like, this was a really awesome time, and I can't wait to meet y'all again for real, because this is not the end. This is just the first of many get-togethers we gonna be doing. We're gonna do GigCon every single year, but I've already talked with the guys. We're gonna be putting together more events, more things, because once a year is not enough. This is what you got to realize, guys. Now that we didn't had this experience and we didn't all came together, like, I get it, GigCon 1 was the first one, you know what I'm saying, we did the virtual, but this is number 3, and we had so many great awesome content creators here and partners and sponsors. Like, man, it was really a great time, and I'm so excited for the next event, and we can't wait a whole year. We just absolutely cannot. We all came to a consensus, like, look, moving forward, we control the narrative, okay? We all been at each other's throats at one point in time, but it takes a lot for everybody to come together and say, look, let's focus on what we all agree on, and let's see how we can actually push this whole thing forward. And look, I gotta say, I never thought a year ago that I would be here, but guess what? I know where I'm gonna be next year. I'm gonna be somewhere building more relationships, strengthening this community, you know what I'm saying? And that's like, y'all already know, man, we go hard. But man, look, out here in Denver, it's been freaking great. One thing I will say, I'll give you a couple tips. If you ever visit Denver, make sure you stay hydrated, because this altitude, I mean, it literally dries your mouth up. I woke up with cotton mouth about 10 times, okay? They got a dispensary about every 0.3 of a mile, so you don't even got to worry about if you need a ride to the... No, you can pretty much walk to any dispensary you need to hit. They got lots of pharmacies and gas stations and places to eat. So you got a lot of things within reach, and it's so beautiful here. The architecture, the design of some of these houses. See, I'm from St. Louis, and it's an old city, okay? So a lot of the infrastructure and the residential living communities, they look the same, and a lot of the housing units look the same, and the houses and everything. Out here in Denver, you see so many complex designs, and I mean, just on one street, you're gonna see so many different house and apartment and duplex designs. It's gonna blow your mind. So it's great. If you've never been to Denver, I highly recommend you come out here. And I already told my peoples I'm coming back. I told Van, Side Hustle Addict, I'm coming back. I told the Driven Dad, the Driven Family, hey, when I come back, I'm tapping in, because I love them. I'm not gonna lie, I've been here two and a half, almost 3 days, and I freaking love it. Can't wait to bring my own family out here. But yeah, man, I'm gonna give you guys a little vlog for today. I got myself together. I'm getting ready to check out of this hotel pretty soon, guys. And we're gonna see what today we got in store for. I know we got a little event with Para, Rideshare Rodeo. We're gonna be heading over. My suitcase ready to go. Got my backpack. Gotta flip that hat to the back. And we out. So as I walk over here to this gas station, my last day here in Denver, about to grab me a little zoom, little wham. I had a really great experience. We're gonna meet up with the people over there, introduce y'all to some of the folks that's still here. But man, all around, awesome, great time. I got to do the Tesla self-driving experience with Driven Dad. Oh my goodness. I'm making a whole video by itself about that, because that self-driving Tesla is something else, man. But we finna walk down here. We got an Arby's over there. We got Old Navy. What's that? Is that Noodles and Company? Yep. FedEx right there. We about to head over here to this little What's this? I don't know what kind of gas station this is, but I'm about to head up in here. All right, Denver, I'm gonna see you later. This is gonna be my last day for right now, but I appreciate you hosting me here. I will be back. Shout out to the Courtyard Marriott. I highly recommend this hotel, guys. I done already spoke with the manager. Me and him is basically best friends now. You know, we done brung so many people through to stay at their hotel. They basically just told me that when I come through, me and my family, we all getting upgraded. We getting suites every time we come here. We finna hook them up, and this the type of things I'm talking about. Building those relationships, because now, when I come to Denver, I don't even gotta guess about where I'm staying at, because I already know where I'm gonna stay at. I'm about to holler at my man Kevin. He gonna hook me up with an upgraded room. And we gonna make it do what it do, because I gotta tap in with one of my friends real quick, because we got a real special message for the people out there. What do we say to people who don't like to put a tip on that order?
No tip, I sip.
When they want to
I highly recommend getting a bus pass. Hop on the bus and go get your Big Mac.
Go subscribe to Maddie Active and try to get me to 20K.
Let's go.
And I'm a top dasher.
Yep, Rado. This man is walking down the street with a snake. He just walked right past me. What is going on? What am I doing?
This man, Snake Eye takes Snake everywhere.
This is
the grocery store.
I don't even. Last video of the trip. We sitting here at the bar. We got the whole gang here. And this is the end right here, man. I'm leaving after this. You know, I've had a great time, okay? But this is just the beginning. This is what you gotta realize. You see my phone going off? Then my people's right there, because I got so many new contacts that you don't even know how many connections I got now, okay? So this is not the end, it's the beginning, but I will be saying goodbye to all my fam here in Denver. But go ahead, tap in, because we're going to be back and we're going to be going hard. So until then.
It feels good to go viral, but I haven't gone viral on a long form video, so I'm still working on that, my new dashing trader. Showing all the haters how much money I've been making. And
finally back home. Glad this shit is over with. Can't take that shit no more. Yes, sir. I'm back. I just came back from GigCon. I'm feeling good. You know, and I'm heading right back to it. I got my first order. $17.36 for 3.6 miles. Round robin. Walmart Spark curbside pickup. Let's get it. My Walmart Spark was under construction recently. And I didn't came back. And now they done with all the construction. Tell me why it's like 45 parking spots for pickup. The most I've ever seen is like 20 something. It's 45 pickup spots up here now at this Walmart. That tells me that they foresee a whole bunch of volume coming in the future, and it's probably finna be a lot of drivers onboarding here in the coming months, especially as we head into the school season and the back to school, everybody ramping up back to work, markets opening up. It's finna get crazy out here, guys. So I got that first order dropped off. My next order right after that was a $18 shop and deliver, and surprisingly it was only 3 items on that joint. Went in there, knocked that one out, doubled right back, and I was right in time for the 11:45 round robin drop. Next order I got on this one was $11 for 3 miles, and it was 2 orders on this one. First order had a bunch of school supplies. You know, school getting ready to start back up, so it's gonna be lots of orders that got school supplies, notebooks, pencils, paper, all that good stuff. So we got that one dropped off, and then I just made it back over here to Walmart, and I got another shop and deliver, but this one was actually a lot better. This one came in at $27 for 5 miles, and it was only 13 items. So I went in there, shopped the 13 items. We had 2 produce slots that had like 5 items on each. So it's not really 13 items, because when sometimes they count in those extra items when you have multiple items of one product. So I picked like 5 nectarines and like 5 plums, and then I grabbed a couple other items too. So that was a real easy order. We actually getting ready to go drop this one off now. Walmart is super packed. And I am noticing that a lot of customers are parking in these pickup spots. So that's the indicator right there that a lot of customers are opting in to do curbside pickup for their own grocery orders, not just ordering out for delivery. So that's something we're gonna need to keep in mind, and just make sure you're being safe out there. There's gonna be lots of folks in the parking lot. You know, people move at different speeds. You got some older folks, some younger kids out there. So just be safe when you out there maximizing. This is order number 4. Let me see, I did 1. Yeah, this is order number 4 in the first 2 hours. And when it's slow on Walmart, you can be only getting 1 order per hour. So when you can get 2 orders in, you know, a round robin curbside at the 45-minute hour, and if it's a short distance delivery, you make it back, get a shopping delivered done, boom, that's how you know your order influx is increasing at your Walmart. And I believe that's what's happening here, because I got 2 orders done in the first hour, and then I got another 2 orders done in the second hour, and that's kind of unusual. But we're gonna keep it going. We're gonna be at $75 after this drop off, and shit, if we get another $25 order, that's gonna be the $100 goal right there. But you know I gotta run it up now, because I just came back in town. I'm back, I'm fresh. I feel like I just had like a mini vacation, even though I was out of town for business per se. I feel like it was a vacation because that's something I never done before. So I'm back, I'm fresh, I'm ready to get out here, make this money, make this content, and get right to it. Shout out to all you guys out there for tuning in too. I love and appreciate you. Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button for your boy.